Which fish tank filter is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Tetra Whisper BioBag Medium Filter Cartridges. The Tetra Whisper BioBag Medium Filter Cartridges. Priced at just $6.47, these cartridges caught my attention because they come fully assembled and ready to use. If you want your aquarium to stay crystal clear without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. These cartridges do an excellent job of keeping your water clean by removing odors and discoloration. With a dense, dual-sided mesh, they efficiently catch debris and fish waste, ensuring that your fish have a healthy environment. Plus, they're color-coded, so you won't mix up the sizes when it's time for a replacement. With over 6,000 units bought in the past month, it's clear that many people trust these filters. Now, some people complained about the need to change them monthly, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, maintaining clean water is crucial for your fish's health, so the monthly change is a small price to pay for a clear tank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward and effective solution for your aquarium. Skip this one if you're dealing with larger tanks or need something more heavy-duty. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the monthly replacement bothered you, the next option might actually be even better for long-term maintenance.
Product number 2, the API AccuClear Freshwater Aquarium Water Clarifier, retailing for $9.48. What drew me in was its ability to quickly clear cloudy water, a common issue for many aquarium owners. If you want immediate results, this is worth a serious look. This clarifier works by clumping floating particles into larger clusters that your filter can easily remove, which means you can see results swiftly. It's designed specifically for freshwater aquariums and is easy to use. Just add it weekly or whenever you notice cloudy water. With 5,000 units sold recently, it's clear that this is a go-to product for many. Some users mention that it can take time to work in tanks with heavy cloudiness, but I'll be real with you. For those serious about keeping their tanks pristine, the wait is totally worth it, especially when you see your fish swimming in crystal clear water again. This is perfect for you if clarity is your main concern and you're looking for a quick fix. Skip this if you're more into long-term filtration solutions, but for the money, it's a smart buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for consistent maintenance.
Product number 3, Tetra Whisper BioBag Large Filter Cartridges, which are essentially unassembled versions of the ones we just discussed. These 12-count packs don't have a specific price listed, but they offer similar benefits. If you want to stock up without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These cartridges are designed to keep your tank's water clean by removing odors and discoloration, just like their medium-sized counterparts. With a dual-sided mesh that filters out debris effectively, they're ideal for larger tanks, as they can accommodate bigger loads of waste. The color coding helps you remember which size you need, which is super handy. However, some reviews noted they can be tricky to assemble if you're not used to it. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh the initial hassle, especially if you're looking to save on replacements. This is perfect for you if you're looking for bulk options for larger tanks. Skip this one if you prefer ready-to-use products, but for the value, it's a smart investment. Now, if you need something that's even easier to manage, the next product offers a more hands-off approach.
Product number 4, Tetra Whisper Internal Power Filter 5 to 10 gallons. The Tetra Whisper Internal Power Filter, designed for tanks between 5 to 10 gallons, priced at $15.97. This caught my eye because it's an all-in-one filtration system that's easy to set up. If you want a user-friendly internal filter, this is worth a serious look. This filter not only cleans the water, but also aerates it, filtering up to 80 gallons per hour while providing oxygen for your fish. It mounts inside your aquarium, which means you can put the tank right against the wall without compromising on filtration. With over 3,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit noisy. Honestly, that's something to consider if you're sensitive to sound. But for many, the benefits of having clean, aerated water far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller tank and are looking for something space efficient. Skip this if you have a larger tank or prefer a quieter option. But for the price and performance, it's a solid deal. Now, if noise is a concern for you, our next product is designed to be whisper quiet.
Product number 5, Tetra Whisper IQ Power Filter 20 gallons. We have the Tetra Whisper IQ Power Filter suitable for tanks up to 20 gallons. While there's no listed price, it's known for its quiet operation, making it a favorite among many. If you want a peaceful environment for your fish, this is worth a serious look. This filter boasts a sound shield to keep noise levels under 40 decibels, which is impressive for a power filter. It also features self-priming technology, meaning you won't have to fuss with priming when you start it up. And with a filtering capacity of 130 gallons per hour, this filter keeps your aquarium water healthy by maintaining pH levels, which is crucial for your fish's well-being. Some users did find that the cartridge refills can be a bit pricey. However, I think the peace of mind with quiet operation and effective filtration justifies the extra cost in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet solution for your fish tank. Skip this one if you're on a really tight budget, but for the quality, it's definitely worth it. In conclusion, we've covered a range of options, from easy-to-use cartridges to advanced filtration systems, ensuring there's something for every tank size and need. So there you have it. From Tetra's reliable cartridges to the advanced Whisper IQ filter, each option has its unique strengths. Whether you need quick maintenance or long-term solutions, I hope you found the perfect filter for your aquarium needs.